In this video, I'm going to show you how to change servers in Genshin Impact, PS4, PS5, mobile, and PC. So first off, you can see this if you are in PC. Once you have started like a Lego Fast or like BlueStack, you could see once you have opened, you could see you have to um s- um choose a server, and once you have clicked that, then are going to start the game. And make sure if you want to choose a server, make sure your ping is stable in there, because if you choose a server that is away from you, it will increase your ping. So as you can see, so PS4 players cannot change servers. So they will automatically plays on a server based on their PSN account. So if you are a PS4 player, you cannot change your server because it will be automatically be placed on a server based on their PSN account. So data cannot be shared between servers. As you can see, you will start losing all your progress when you are switching in another server. But when you come back to your original server, the progress will be back. So don't worry. So like you see, once you have played Genshin Impact, you will see this select server. As you can see, you could pick America, Europe, Asia, and TWHKMO. So once you are in the Europe, once you are changing it into Asia, your progress in Europe will be lost once you are in Asia. But once you come back in Europe, your progress will be saved and your Asia progress will be saved. So you don't have to worry. As you can see, this is where, and once you are done with picking the server, you can start the game. So the only thing that, or the only device that you cannot change servers is the PS4 players, because you know what is the reason. It's because based on their PSN account. And maybe I think in PS5, because I know I've played Genshin Impact before, I can change servers in PC and mobile. But for PS4 and PS5, I think it depends on your PSN account, and that's it.